Hello, my dear viewers. Um, Welcome to the Dukascopy webinars, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 27th of February. This is Monday. Well, I am a Dukascopy trading community member. Please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukascopy Bank. I need to tell you this because nobody should be thinking that this is Dukascopy Bank giving analysis or so, because everything that I say in this webinar is my own analysis. It has nothing to do with Dukascopy Bank. So what we are going to do in the next 30 minutes or so is that we are going to check our levels that we have drawn earlier, and we'll review those levels and we'll put new levels if there is any key level. Okay, normal levels we'll ignore. We'll only put the key levels on our charts and we'll try to trade from the key levels only. And also we'll ignore the fundamentals, because we know that every piece of information is already priced into the chart. Well, for the analysis purpose, we'll strictly be using the candlestick charts because they are very informative in nature. At the end of the session, I'll be taking questions from the viewers. Please ask questions. Feel free to ask any question. It may be silly, but it doesn't matter. You ask questions. Every question is important. I'll try to answer your questions and try to satisfy you with my answers. Lastly, everything that I say in this webinar is only to increase your knowledge or to give you an information edge to place your trades. Please do your own research before you put your money on the line. I cannot stress it more because your profits or your losses are your own responsibility. So before I proceed with the charts, let me take you through the risk disclaimer. There is a risk associated with trading on margin, and foreign exchange is mostly traded on margin. Please go through this risk disclaimer, then come with me to have a look at the dollar index chart, which is the first thing that we see every day. On your screen is the daily chart of the US dollar index. Do you notice something here? It failed actually to reach 105.39. It has made a high around 105.30. It was just 9 pips shy, 9 points shy of that 105.39 level that we had created. Somewhere in my mind, I'm feeling like there is a possibility of it going again to 105.39 after some recovery here and like this. Okay, but this changes nothing for the dollar index. Till now, the support zone is 103.37 and the resistance zone is 105.39. I'm feeling like after a small pullback here, the price will zoom through the 105.39 levels and push towards 107.64. I have a strong feeling because when I join the highs and the next high that is made cuts the previous line, like this is a very old technique that I have used in the past. So you see, if you draw like this, and if the recent high that the price has made cuts through this line, there is a possibility that after pullback it will break through that high. Let us see how the things unfold. This is just a technique that I used earlier in my trading. Okay, in the similar manner, when you join these lows, if this next low has breached this, then after pullback it will break that low also. So this is how I use. I hope that helps. So the idea is that after this pullback, I am feeling like it will break through 105.39. The only problem being that it should not break through these lows. These two lows should not break. I mean, this low should not break. That is, the price should not go beyond below 103.658. okay, even on the intraday. So yeah, this is resistance, this is support, and let's go to the euro. Well, in euro we had a target of 1.0482, but looking at today's price action, we see that 10 periods moving average on the daily is resistance. Also, it is in line with the horizontal level of 1.0612, which is offering resistance. If you switch to the 4 hours, it will be more clear that price went there but was rejected. the buyers are not interested at these levels, and they think there is a possibility of price going back towards 10482. And also this was a selling opportunity if we have already seen on the 1 hour. Okay, it was a selling opportunity. Now this is a bullish bar, but still right, no selling opportunity. But yes, if you are looking at this level 1.0612, this was an area of opportunity to go short with a target of 1.0482, if you know. Yeah, MGA Desert Island, welcome to the stream. There is nothing new building up, only the previous levels are being traded. Now here I said that before going here, there is a possibility that the price will go to this 1.2121. It looks like pound is moving towards that level. I think in a day or two it will hit that level again and then push back towards 1.1840. This is just my feeling. And also look how beautifully the channel is being followed. So I believe that this area of interest of sellers will push the prices below towards 1.1840. Support and resistance, this is the support now, 1.1840. Resistance is still at 1.2121. So these two levels are the key levels for us to keep an eye on. You can actually remove this channel now from the thing because now it is not working. Okay, talking about the Australian dollar, perfect move by the Australian dollar so far, and it has almost reached 0.6668. Now the thing with the today's candlestick is that it has engulfed the both highs and lows, but the closing is the key here. If it closes higher than I think yesterday's candles close, then we can see a pull towards 0.6869, because then it will be a bullish engulfing right on the support. But if it does not, and if we close the day below 0.6728, then there's a very high probability of the price going towards 0.6668. But looking at the symmetry of the price action here, you should be looking for buying in this region, 0.6668 to 0.6724. There may be a huge buying and building up of positions in the direction of long. I am assuming this should happen here right now. When the price is trading right now, it has a resistance at 0.6728, which is just 4 points up from here, and it has a huge support at around 0.6668. so this area should be a very good support area. Okay, on the similar lines, New Zealand dollar has also engulfed the highs and lows of the previous day's candle. Actually, this was Sunday. I must say, I don't know why Sunday's trading is being shown here, but anyways, so you see the resistance now 0.6190 is the higher resistance, and right now actually the price is trading at a crucial support and resistance level. Okay, if it closes the day below 0.6155, we can see 0.6060, but if it closes the day above it, then there is a possibility of retesting 0.6190 once again. Also notice that after this breakdown here, the price has not tested 6190 as the new resistance, so there is a high probability that the price will go to check that level as the new resistance and then push down. USD JPY 135.22 has been broken but not retested. Once it is retested, we can check for 137.67. Right now this is support, 137.67 is resistance, 135.22 is the support. There's nothing else, but yes, the market structure has broken. The price is in an uptrend on the daily chart at least. If you want to build positions here, long position near 135.22 and no selling position at 137.67, please. On the contrary, if you really are looking for selling positions, then you should be looking for a market structure break. Otherwise, you can do this also if you want to be on the safe side. Okay, you can buy at 137.67 once it breaks clearly, like it has broken. This is a clean break. 135.22 is the clean break now. Now this level should act as a good support if the price comes down to this level. US dollar against the Canadian. Yesterday there was a huge movement to the upside, I mean on Friday, but now it has come back. It may be a retest of the broken resistance at 1.35, but I don't feel like it. Okay, because I believe that crude oil prices should rise in the future now. Now when the crude oil prices rise, Canadian dollar rises, and when Canadian dollar rises, everything goes against it down. So US dollar may go down against the Canadian dollar if the crude oil prices starts rising. um, but if you ask me about the resistance, 1.3684 area should be a good resistance for this price, and support should be around 1.3502. But I will say USD CAD is not a good market to trade. Stay away. It is also coming in and going out of this rising channel. Then upside there is resistance, downside there is support. So many things to take care of. So better don't trade this market. On the contrary, whereas USD CHF now has a clear move upside, if it continues to above 0.9374, then the next target is 0.9479, where I am looking for a selling opportunity in the bigger time frame. If you notice this channel here, this channel after breakdown has not tested ever this area, so this area will be tested somewhere around 9479. So look for a selling opportunity in this region. Okay, right now the next support is around 0.9271, next resistance is at 0.9479. Right now the price is trading at a crucial level 0.9372. Silver has taken all our targets that we were expecting, and now if for some reason the silver starts falling below this level, then this low here on this day on 7th of November, the low was around 20.37. If that low is taken out, then the 18.88 will be exposed. Now the problem is that to break this low here, the price has to breach this rising channel. In that case 18.88 will definitely be on the charts if we are able to see a lower low than 20.56, or sorry, 20.37 here. So I will mark it like this now. 20.37 is a very good resistance. Okay, support. If this is broken, then expect by 18.88 to be tested in this market. On the contrary, if the price finds buyers at this test of this trend line, then we can see 22.1 and 23.12 also in this market. So keep a sharp eye on the silver if you are a silver trader. Similarly, in the gold, I will see okay, it has already happened. I was going to say you that above the high of yesterday's candle, you can open a buy position because you're very close to the support of 1807. You remember this level we had drawn much earlier. We were looking for the price to test this level, and now you see how beautifully the price has broken through the high of yesterday. If you switch to the 4 hour, you will see a market structure breakout on the 4 hour. Okay, low up, low up, low up, low, pop up. So this high is taken out. Now we are expecting a higher low and higher high to be formed in this market. So keep an eye on this gold. Maybe a buy from here, but it is too soon to tell. So maybe wait for a day or two so that a trend is clear, and then we can buy it with a target of 1824, 1865, 1875, etc. Brent today was up, marginally up, and was going good before it shook like this. I will show you on 4 hour. It was going real good like this, then it came down. So what I mean to say here is that the buyers who are buying the prices here, they are out of the market. Now if they're out of the market, then this is the next level where they can open a buy position. So I will say if you are going to short this market, then maybe below the low of today's candle can be a selling opportunity. But looking at this bullish pin bar, I don't think that somebody will be daring enough to open the short positions close to these lows. So what to do in such markets? My again suggestion is that stay away from this market where you are not sure whether to buy or sell. Sometimes you may get a temptation to enter this market because it moves very fast, but keep that temptation at bay and do not open any trade in this market because it is going up down and taking out stop losses every now and then. So you don't want to burn your capital, right? So stay away from this market. Dollar against the South African rand has taken the targets. Today I was thinking that it has come down or it is trying to change the structure of the market, but no, it was immediately bought back at the lower prices. Now this is a hint that the US dollar initially was low, but still managed to buying at the lower prices. So there is a buying in the US dollar against the South African rand. So what does it mean? If still people are ready to open the buy positions, that means they are targeting something higher. So I will target my 19.33 now in this market, but I will wait for 18.499 to be breached. convincingly. When I say convincingly, I mean a break like this and then a retest and then pushing back. So this is what I am expecting now. Then you will be buying 18.44, sorry, 18.49 from the top, not from the bottom. Okay, so keep an eye on this level also. This is a market which moves very fast. It gives you good profits if you can catch it. All right. Bitcoin also seems like getting some buyers at the lower levels. I told you that if the trend line holds, there's a possibility that the price will reach 25,207 again. Although there was a bullish pin bar here, but still I see that today's candlestick is somewhat indecisive. Like these highs, sorry, these lows are acting as a resistance now. These are in line with this one. If you have to see higher levels than 25,207, then we need more buyers here who can push the prices even higher than today's high. All right, but this price action, if I know this price action, this is a price action which is bearish in nature, because if when I show you on 4-hour, this will be a consolidation. After a move lower, there is a consolidation. So how do you show a consolidation counter trend like this? Okay, so my idea is that there is a possibility that the price will go like this and then break like this. Well, this is just a speculation. Let us see how the things unfold in the future. But right now, this is what Bitcoin is doing. It has broken below the previous crucial supports and now is finding resistance at those levels. So if it is finding resistance at those levels, where it can go? The most likely it can go to the downward direction. In that case, it will be targeting 21,342. Euro JPY, we are long in the Euro JPY above 142.93. What are the targets? 146.72. Is it happening? Boom, 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 boom. So yes, it is happening. So yes, it is a textbook example of broken resistance turns into support like this. 146.72 is the target. You can look for a buying opportunity if you get on the 4-hour, maybe. Now on the 4-hour also it is not there. So I think it has already moved a lot from the place where I wanted to buy it. So you want to buy or you don't want to buy, that is up to you now, but the risk is huge now because we are targeting 146. And if you buy now, you will be keeping your stop loss at 80 points. Your take profit will be 240. It is exactly 1:3 risk to reward ratio right now, but you have to keep your stop loss deep enough, like 143.50 or something, or 65 something. Okay, Euro GBP, guys, Euro GBP is doing good. Actually, it has broken below this rising channel, which was a counter trending channel. Now the market trend is down, okay, at least on the 4-hourly. This was a counter trending channel and the counter trend channel has broken now. I think any close below 0.8800 will open the way to 0.8758 now. Okay, whereas for upside we have a lot of resistance on the way. First is this broken channels support line will act as resistance, then the resistance line will act as resistance, then we have this falling channels resistance, then we have this broken lows which will act as resistance, then we have this swing high which will be resistance. So there is so much problem for the price to go up. On the way down, it has just this level 0.8800, thereafter this horizontal level of 0.8758, thereafter 0.8721. USA index, well, 3988 is where it is traveling right now. Actually on the daily, if you see, it is very easy to tell that the market is going down. Okay guys, but today it has done something which is very interesting. I will let you know. See, after breaking below these lows, it sent all the buyers out of market first. Then on the 4-hour, I will show you. You see, if you just look at the price action, you will feel like, oh, the buying has emerged. Now the price is going up, up, up. See, looking at this, you will be feeling, wow, the buying has come. Now suppose this is a green candle till here, you will say, oh, breakout has happened, but you did not know that there is a level, there is a crucial level here. This is a trend line which is falling. Okay, you did not know. Of course you did not know if you have not drawn it like me. And now see how clear. If I say that I'm short in this S&P 500 right now in my real account, how will you take it? Okay, anyways, I'm right now I'm short in this one and I'm targeting 3885 in this market. My stop loss is above the high of today's candle. All right, so I shared my position with you. This is your discretion how you want to take it, but I have sold at the higher levels. Your stop loss and take profit targets may not be 1:3 now. We have almost 3000 points of stop loss and almost 10,000. Yeah, it is still 1:3. One can open the sell. All right, guys, so this is my position and we have two more charts. Yeah, euro Australian dollar. Euro Australian dollar has broken out to the upside. I have removed all the levels, but yes, 1.5941 area or 1.59450 area is what we are targeting. For that we need a closing above this. Actually, MGA has asked me to do this, and this is an inverse head and shoulder, and it is a breakout above this high. So I will mark that level. So above 1.5749 you can have a target which will be approximately 493 points or 500 points. So 1.6242, 1.62. So approximately this area you should be targeting if the price gives us a close above this high. Okay, Ethereum in the end, just like Bitcoin, it is also trying to take some support from day before yesterday or on Friday. Saturday there was a bullish pin bar. 1673 is the immediate resistance. Support lies very far at 1460. This low may offer some support to the price if it starts going down from here. So now Ethereum is stuck between these two prices, 1673 and 1555. Let us see how the things unfold about Ethereum. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the chat. Otherwise, our levels are done and we'll be observing these levels from tomorrow onwards. And in the dollar index, I strongly believe that it is going towards 107.64. All right, guys, my position, how is my position? Okay, it is doing good. So guys, that's all from my side today. I have nothing more to talk about. If there is any, I will let you know through the community chat, because I have a channel I told you about. So this is my channel, Bulls and Bears. If there is any trade, I will let you know through the community tab in that channel. Please do subscribe to me if you have time. I hope you know about the support and resistance levels that are of interest in coming hours and days. Please keep in mind to only risk less than 1% of your capital on any one trade, and you should look for a potential profit of more than 3 times whatever you are risking. Okay, I wanted to finish, but MGA is asking for CAD JPY, so let me check. Let me throw the charts back on. So CAD JPY, although Canadian dollar is moving a lot with the crude oil movement, but still CAD JPY I think should go up only. I'm just talking about the correlation, but technicals, let me check. Okay, so this is monthly, my monthly chart. It takes time to load because I have never opened CAD JPY here. I mean, maybe, but not recently. Why my data is not loading? Because copy, do something. MG, I think we will have to wait. My data is still loading. Okay, data is loaded for the weekly and data is loaded for the monthly as well. All right, from here what I see that monthly, this was the low, so we keep this as a low and then we keep this as the high, and we see just what is happening on the monthly. It is in an uptrend here, then here it broke through the uptrend, so it becomes a broken swing low. This may act as a resistance. um okay, on a monthly it is a sell mode. Okay, on monthly it is in a sell mode. It has broken through this, and then it has broken through this and this. So on the weekly it is in a buy mode. On the weekly it is in a buy mode because it has broken through this. This is how it happens. All right, this is in a sell mode, then it broke through this one, so it became in a buy mode. So now something like this can happen. Actually, something like this can happen. Okay, it is going very this that is a significant move. I think 96 to 101, 94 to 101. This is significant move, 682. And also from this high here, on this high here to this low, 1600 points, and this is 915 points. If you turn fibs here, then you will see that okay, this is 38% already. So this area or this area may provide resistance. So 100 to 10070 to 10258, this should be your area of resistance. Now my friend may be asking why this huge area should be as a resistance, because we are talking about monthly charts, guys. Okay, remember I have switched monthly first. I told you that it is in a sell mode, but from the last 2 months this is consolidation. Okay, from the last 2 months this is consolidation. This is not a very brisk move, this is a consolidation. If this is taken out on the weekly, it has gone in a buy mode. Okay, after it broke higher from here, it became the buy mode. If it has to become buy mode on the monthly, then it has to go through the high of this 110.52, which seems like it is very far. From the weekly, it looks like this broken support, which was never tested as the resistance, is a good area of opportunity to go short. So 101.40 area is where I think you should be looking for a selling opportunity, my friend. Okay, now let me check on the daily. So you see on the daily, it was like boom, 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 boom. Okay, on the daily also it has entered this buying mode, but it is very close to the resistance zone of 101.40, actually 10070 to 10258. I hope MJ you got it. Look for a selling opportunity here, my friend. Look for a selling opportunity in this region somewhere. Now what best you can do, as MJ was also asking me in the past, why do you draw channels? So you can draw these channels. These are now useful for you, I think. So you draw this channel and keep an eye on when this channel breaks to the downside. Okay, do not enter short there, but whatever candle has broken through this channel, say okay, this is what happened? Why the candlestick is not forming? I don't know. Where is the ghost feed? Okay, but you got it right. Suppose that this is the candle, okay, that has broken from the this thing, and suppose this is the wick, and you keep your short order below the low of this candle. Okay, it may go up to retest or it may drop down, but you keep a short order below the low of like this one. Daily new movies upload. Hello, daily movies upload. How are you? How did you end up here? So I hope you got the idea, right, MJ? Buying opportunity, I don't think that you should be looking for any buying opportunity below 101.40 to 102.58. Below 102.58 you should know. I'm long. I thought it clearly broke previous structure, but I agree with the resistance. Yeah, it has broken through the resistance. There is no doubt about it. This resistance or this market structure is broke, and also it has taken the support here. But are you only looking for the day or two? It's fine. 101.40 is the target, immediate target. But if you want to hold it for the longer time, then on weekly it has a resistance at 101.40, and on the monthly there is only a sell mode. So anytime these sellers who open their positions here, they will be willing to enter again to sell Canadian dollar, okay, against the Japanese yen. That is my point. All right, guys, can you add my Telegram group? No, brother, thank you so much. See you guys tomorrow at 16:30 GMT. Thank you very much for being here with me. I wish you and your family a very happy and a profitable day. Thanks for being here with me. You guys are good, great even.